This bird is a nightmare for wasps and giant hornets. Despite its name, the honey buzzard does not primarily feed on honey. It feeds primarily on the larvae and nests of wasps and hornets. It is the only known predator of the Asian hornet. It spends large amounts of time on the forest floor excavating wasp nests. It is equipped with long toes and claws adapted to raking and digging, and scale-like feathering on its head, thought to be a defense against the stings of its prey. Honey buzzards are thought to have a chemical deterrent in their feathers that protects them from wasp attacks. They have developed a certain level of resistance to the poisonous stings of wasps and hornets. This resistance is crucial for their survival, as it allows them to feed on the contents of the nests